Hello everyone and a warm welcome to Directions Live Online. My name is Iril and I am your host for today's webinar. You are joining us today for a webinar on ArcGIS for smarter business strategies. In this session, you will learn how to pinpoint your next move and take your business operation to the next level. Joining us today is Fatin Rahayu, Senior Consultant in Esri Malaysia. She will be showing us how ArcGIS can optimize your business strategies and keep you competitive. Let's get started with today's webinar. I will pass this over to Fatin. Over to you, Fatin.
All right. Thank you, Irene. In this today's session, we explore how ArcGIS help businesses grow and stay ahead. The topic will cover on how and help to make a better decision to use the location's intelligence to optimize store, logistic, and customer insight, to have a seamless integration, connect the ArcGIS with existing business tool for smarter strategies, to have a future trend, see how GIS is shaping the future of business. By the end, you will know how GIS help businesses work smarter, not harder. Businesses today are changing faster than ever. Think about Grab. Maybe 10 years ago, if someone told you a mobile app would replace a traditional taxis, many would not believe it. But now, Grab has expanded beyond ride hailing to even for food delivery, financial services, and even insurance. The big question is what's next? What will be the next big disruptor in business? Could it be AI, the automations, or something we haven't even imagined yet? Technology is also changing how we engage with customers. In 5 years, will business rely on AI-powered chatbots, virtual reality shopping, or real-time location intelligence? The key to success is adapting to change. Businesses that embrace new technologies and strategies will stay ahead, while those that resist will struggle. So, how prepared is your business to evolve and stay ahead of market shift? Businesses don't just compete, they struggle with miscommunications. Different teams use different tools, but they all need the same insight. GIS bring data together in one view, helping teams collaborate, spot pattern, and make smarter decisions more faster. As Jack Benjamin, our founder, says, you are in understanding business. When you see the full picture, success will follow. GIS isn't just about maps. It's about understanding, problem solving, and smarter decision. With GIS, businesses can see the big picture where they can help to spot trends and pattern easily. A retailer can find the best location for a new store. And then we can explore options. We can test different scenario. For example, a logistic company can compare routes for the faster delivery and then solve problem where we can use real-time data to make a better plans. City can reduce traffic congestion with smarter road network. And we can have aligned team. When everyone see the same data, decisions are clearer and collaboration improve. GIS is more than mapping. It's a powerful tool for better business decisions. ArcGIS isn't just a map. It's connect data to give businesses a full picture of what's happening. See everything in one place where we can combine customer location, sale, traffic, and more into a single view. We have interactive map and apps where we can analyze and share insight in real time. We have layers of data where we combine different layers of data like customer demographic, competitor location, or transportation route in one clear visual representation. With ArcGIS, businesses can turn raw data into smart insight, helping them make faster and more informed decisions and stay ahead of the competitions. While GIS and location intelligence can bring huge benefit to businesses, there are some common challenges that organizations face when adopting this technology, but they can be solved. First, talking about the data integration, businesses store data in different systems. GIS bring it all together in one platform. And then talking about data accuracy, outdated data leads to bad decisions. GIS keep insight fresh and reliable. Privacy and security, sensitive data stay protected and with built-in security measure. It is and use. GIS tools like ArcGIS are user-friendly with the training available everywhere. Cost and versus benefit. GIS boosts efficiency, cut costs, and deliver long-term value. With these all challenges exist with the right approach, businesses can overcome this obstacle and unlock the full potentials of locations intelligence. At the end of the day, businesses across all industries share common goals. They want to be more profitable, provide better customer experience, manage risk, and stay compliant with regulations. Here's how GIS help. GIS can help to boost profit, help you to find the best location, optimize operation, and reduce the cost. It help you to improve your customer experience, will help you to understand customer behavior and tailor services, help you to manage the risk by identify the market trend, any natural disaster or any security issues early, and then stay compliant where we can track regulation, monitor asset, and simplify reporting. With GRS, businesses make smarter decisions and stay ahead in a changing world. Every business wants to grow, but where and how? GS help answer with that data-driven insight. We want to find the best market. How is it? Analyze customer trend to choose either expansion location. We want to optimize the sale. We how to do it? We map the customers, map the competitors, and demand to target the right audience. We have to improve marketing. We can do by deliver location-based promotions at the right time and place, streamline logistics. By using ArcGIS to analyze market opportunity, businesses can grow smarter, reach more customers, and increase sales, all while staying ahead the competitions. Every business needs a strategy to stay ahead, and location intelligence help in multiple ways. So this diagram highlight the key area where GIS can make a difference. First, talking about market optimization, where you use the data to find the best location to analyze customer and make smarter decisions. Second, we're talking about performance monitoring. We track the market trend, site performance, and real estate opportunity. Business reporting, where we ensure better decision making with accurate insight on sale, logistics, and facilities. Lastly, we focus on strategic planning. We use GIS for long-term growth and competitive advantage. At the center of it, data management and collaboration to ensure businesses can connect the dots and make informed decisions. We're going to start with the first pillar, the market optimization. Market optimization means we are using data to make a smarter business decision about where to grow, where to invest, and where to improve. For example, a retail company can analyze customer location, where customer stores traffic pattern to find the best spot for a new outlet. Similarly, for real estate firm, they can use GIS to evaluate the land value and the market demand before making a purchase. By leveraging location intelligence, businesses can reduce risk, maximize profit, and stay ahead of the competitions. So now that we understand this importance of market optimization, let's talk about one of the key tools that help make this possible, the site collector. Site collector help businesses gather information, location, data quickly and accurately. By we have capability to do collect on-site data easily using your mobile device. You can take photos and notes to capture site conditions, speed up a decision making for new location. So who will use it? For example, real estate team looking for the best store location, or by it can be used by brokers and analysts to evaluating the properties, or merchandising team checking competitor stores. So is how about the site collector? So then when we have collected site data, we go on site. The next step is understanding the market and customer behavior. This is where market customer analysis come in. To help you to understand your customer is the key to smart business decision. With market and customer analysis, you can quickly spot the trend, explore customer behavior, make a data-driven choices. For example, business can identify spending pattern. We can analyze the high traffic areas and optimize the store location based on customer preferences. This tool also make collaboration easy. Teams can share insight and streamline processes, ensuring everyone is aligned with the best strategy. Let's go to the demo on how we will use site collector and market customer analysis. For example, after completing our customer research for Boston, now field team is out for checking store location using ArcGIS field mobile application. This is the interface of our mobile application. They gather the key detail like site size, about the surrounding and accessibility with the color-coded markers help them to identify the key location. And for example, we added all the information into our system to help the real estate team to quickly assess the opportunity. Now it's time to take a closer at the best option. So we will analyze this location based on factors like customer travels distance, market trend, and nearby competition to find the most promising site for our new store. With all our site information collected, it's time to narrow down our option. Instead of guessing, we use data-driven insight to help us decide. We analyze the key factors like customer access, market potential, and competition to rank the most promising location. First, we focus on locations that are still being considered to understand customer accessibility. We apply a 4-minute drive time radius for each site. Okay, since that's the typical distance people are willing to travel in downtown Boston. So here we can clearly see the 4-minute drive time radius for each site. Okay, now let's take a look at the key market data. We using the projected population growth, okay, for the 5 years, and analyze the total retail spending in each area that we have for our site. So this help us to identify location with strong customer demand. Okay, so and then next we'll bring in details collected by our field teams. They recorded useful site attributes such as available space, overall site rating based on their ground observations. These add an extra layers of real-world insight to our analysis. Of course, competitions matters too. So we check how many similar businesses are operating within each site, 4 minutes draft time radius. Typically, more competitors in an area lower the ranking of a site, but we can adjust this rating depends on our strategy. After we combining all of these factors, okay, we will generate a rank list of the best locations. In this case, Beacon Hills come out on top of most suitable site for our new store. Okay, to support our decision, we create an infographic summarizing our finding. This to make it easy for real estate team to review and compare different sites at a glance. Finally, we export all the results so our real estate team can explore the insight in detail before making the final call. This way, ensure our decision is backed by data and real-world observation, helping us choose the best location with the confidence. Then we'll go to the second pillar, which we call is a performance monitoring. Tracking performance is crucial for making informed decisions. With performance monitoring, businesses can keep an eye on key metrics. We can spot the difference and address issues before they become the problem. By using real-time data, organization can optimize operation, can improve efficiency, and ensure better outcome. So this helps teams stay proactive rather than reactive, leading to smarter decision and better result. Now that we have to explore how to analyze the market and customer, the next step is to evaluating specific location. This brings us to site analysis, the key tool to monitor performance monitoring. On the site is collected, the next step to ensuring it's performed as expected. Site analysis help us track whether the location is driving the expected business outcome. We evaluate how well a site is doing compared to a market potential and adjust strategy if needed. Okay, based on this insight, we can optimize marketing efforts, adjust operation, for example, or we can even reconsider the location strategy to ensure that our site is selection decisions are not just guessing, but are backed by ongoing performance. After evaluating site location, the next important aspect of performance monitoring is to understanding the market potential. Market potential isn't just about identifying new opportunity, it's just about understanding how market evolve over time using real performance data. With the GIS, business can track property value, can know about customer demand and competitor activity to see which location are thriving and which need adjustment. For example, a retailer may, may have opened a store in an area that initially seemed promising, but through performance tracking, they realize customer foot traffic is declining. So instead of waiting until the sales drop, they can adjust their marketing or inventory or even consider relocation based on real-time insight. By continuously analyzing long-term market trends, business can maximize investment, avoid risky location, and ensure sustainable growth. Imagine you are looking for the perfect office in Chicago. Instead of scrolling through endless listing, what if you could see everything you need in one interactive map? That's exactly what this demo does. It doesn't just show locations, it helps us to understand them. We can instantly see nearby coffee shops, the banks, public transport, so we can know if a place is convenient for your team or client. On the side, we can compare the office side at a glance. The big circle means the bigger spaces. Simple. Click on the building and we get the key details. Who manages it, what amenities it has, how much space is available. For example, if we need a flexible list, this tool even highlights spaces available for sublet. Instead of digging through spreadsheets or listing, this demo gives us insight in seconds. Whether you're a business owner or you are investor or just curious about the market, is make properly research clear, fast, and visual. With this, you don't just find a location, you find the right location. Try it out and see for yourself. Accurate and timely reporting is essential for making smart business decisions. Business reporting with GIS help visualize performance data, track key metrics, and identify trends in clear and interactive way. Instead of static spreadsheets, businesses can use real-time dashboard and location-based insight to monitor operation and adjust strategies quickly. This to ensure teams stay informed and can act fast to drive better results. Accurate reporting isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about turning insight into actions. With real-time dashboard and location-based data, businesses can make smarter, faster decisions. But what exactly should we be looking at? One of the most critical aspects of businesses reporting, understanding the sales performance. Let's explore how the right tool can help us to identify new market opportunity, analyze the sales trends, and make data-driven decisions. By reviewing sales data, businesses can better allocate resources, can focus on a high potential area, and improve overall strategy. This helps teams across real estate, marketing, and merchandising stay competitive and maximize their success. Imagine you are running multiple stores and need to know at a glance which one are performing well and which need attention. Instead of going through piles of report, this dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot in one place. Right here, we can see total sales, how they compare to last year, and which product are selling fast. No guesswork, just a clear insight. So want to focus on specific location, just click and boom, we get all the information. Let's say you manage a fashion store and you see sweater, okay, are selling like crazy, but shoes are barely moving. With this, you can act fast. Maybe we can run a promo on shoes, or we can stock up on the more sweater. Instantly, we get detail like sale trend, top performing, and even the key contact at the site. It helps us to make quick, smart decision whether you manage one shop or 100. This isn't just a data. It's a tool that's help you to see the full picture and take actions. No technical needed, just clear insight to make better business decisions. Successful business don't just act to change, they plan ahead. But how do you make sure you are making the right decision for the future? With GRS, businesses can analyze market trend, customer behavior, and performance over time. Imagine being able to spot new opportunity to optimize the resources and adjust strategy before challenges arise. For example, retail company planning its next store expansions can use location intelligence to find high potential area based on customer demographic and competitor presence. This approach ensures they invest in the right place at the right time. But planning is only one piece of the puzzle. To turn strategy into action, executives need a clear high view of business performance. That's where the business review process comes in. Executives are responsible for making big decisions that shape the future of businesses. But to do that effectively, they need access to real-time, data-driven insight. The executive review process provides leadership a high level of view of performance, helping them to monitor the key trend, make informed decision. Okay, for example, during a estate committee REC meeting, executive can quickly assess which store location are thriving, which market are show potential, where improvement are needed, instead of shifting through statistic report, just a static report. So now they can interact with live dashboard, adjust filter, and get instant clarity on business performance. One of the biggest decision executives make involve managing property. So how do they quickly evaluate different locations and find the best opportunity? That's where portfolio explorer come in. When making decision about properties, time is everything. Instead of searching through multiple files and report, Portfolio Explorer bring all property data into one place. Think about the real estate company evaluating potential store location. With Portfolio Explorer, they can easily compare properties based on size, based on value, or market demand. An executive looking to expand into a new region can filter location by revenue, customer foot traffic, or by the list status, all in just a few clicks. This means businesses can move faster, can reduce the risk, and make smarter investment choices. Ultimately, staying ahead is a competitive market. By combining strategic planning, executive insight, and property analysis, businesses can confidently navigate change and drive long-term success. Imagine you are a property investor, a business owner looking for the best location to expand. But instead of going through endless spreadsheets or website, what if you could see everything visually on the map? So this portfolio explorer help you just do that. So we can easily filter properties. For example, we want a big office, okay, or we want a certain price range, okay, or we want to build after a certain year, just adjust the slider. Okay, so we can see the result instantly. As you filter the maps update in real time, showing only properties that match your needs. Quick insight: get the key detail at a glance, property size, price stories, and leasing status all in one. So make a smarter decision faster, no more guessing. Spot trend, compare location, find the perfect property without the hassle. Okay. So let's say, for example, we need a large office space in downtown, maybe in Shah Alam, with at least 10,000 square feet. Just set the filter and boom, we get the map will highlight only the best option so you can decide with the confidence. Instead of spending hours researching, this tool help you to find the right property in just minutes. It's simple, fast, and effective. Success isn't built alone. It's about having the right tools and the right patterns by your side. That's why, as you work with industry leaders like Autodesk, SAP, Microsoft, uh, Trimble, SAP Innovation, and many more, whether you are streamlining workflows, integrating data, or enhancing collaboration, our partner ecosystem ensure you have the best solution at your fingertips. No matter your industry, we are here to help you scale, innovate, and succeed. So before we wrap up, be sure to check out the available resources to explore more and see how Esri and our partner can support your journey. This will direct you to valuable resources on the business analyst for market insight, for example, for GIS for retail and real estate site selection, or just location intelligence for business transformation. Okay, so thank you for your time today. I hope this session have given you a clear understanding how ArcGIS empowers business with location intelligence. I will now hand over to this session to Iril.
Thank you, Fatin. That was really an informative sharing we had just now. Okay, so now it is the time for us to review the question from the audiences. So if you haven't had a chance to type out your questions, so you still have time to do that now in go to webinar panel. Okay, so in a meantime, so let's go through our first question. So question by Hanif. So why is location intelligence important for my business? Okay, so Fatin, maybe you can provide the answer for this.
Okay, thank you to Mr. Hanif. Okay, so sorry. Everything in business happens somewhere. So same goes to your customer, your competitor, and supplier. All have locations. So location intelligence help you to understand the patterns, help you to find the best opportunity, and make a smarter decision based on real world data. So that's why the location intelligence is important to help you to know about everything on the right location and give you the informations. Hopefully I answer your question, Mr. Hanif.
Okay, thank you for the answer, Fatin. Okay, so we got a question from Jane here. So she asks, we already have data in the spreadsheets and report. So how is GIS different?
Okay, it's very good. I think I did touch about this one during presentation. Okay, thank you, Jane. Okay, so spreadsheet normally it show you the raw numbers, 1, 2, 3, giving you the numbers. But GIS turn the data into interactive maps, so you can visual insight. So because we as a human, we love something that we can visual, we can see it. So instead of just seeing the sales figures in your spreadsheets, now you can see where the sales are highest with our maps. You can know how your customer where and how your customer move and what location have the most potential. So that's why the spreadsheet is important to give you the numbers, but the GIS give you more something to visualize. You can do analyze on it. Okay, hopefully I answer your question, Jane.
Okay, so thank you for the answer, Fatin. Okay, so I think this will be the last question from Daniel. So can GIS help small businesses or is it just for big companies?
Okay. Mr. Daniel, I think. Okay. So it's a good question. So GIS is not just for big company. GIS for businesses is all of size. So businesses, small businesses or big businesses, you can use GIS to find the best location as long as you have the target, you have the focus, you want to target the customer better, and then you want to improve your delivery or you want to improve your company. So GIS are there. It's not talking about any size of businesses. It's for all. It's for us, especially for those in these businesses in commercial industry. Hopefully that GIS can help you no matter what size of your company. I hope I answered your question, Mr. Daniel.
Okay, so thank you for the answer, Fatin. Okay, so well, I guess that is all the question we have for this. So thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Okay, so bye bye everyone.